Today, you will learn how to adjust column size in Word. First, select the text that is already in columns, or create columns by going to the Layout tab and clicking Columns. Next, click Columns again and choose More Columns. In the Columns dialog box, you'll see Width and Spacing. Increase the width to make your columns wider, or decrease it to make them narrower. You can also change the spacing to increase or reduce the gap between the columns. If you want each column to have a different width, uncheck Equal Column Width, then adjust the width of each column separately. Click OK to apply the changes. You can also quickly adjust the space between columns by turning on the ruler from the View tab and dragging the column markers until the layout looks right. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.